recognize this face? Well, let me help you. He is the co-founder of Sinaloa drug cartel, which is based in Mexico. Full name Ismael Zambada Garcia and popularly known as El Mayo. He is currently in US custody, but he had managed to evade arrest for more than 50 years. So how did he do it? How did he end up in jail? Well, this story is nothing less than a movie plot. But before I tell you the screenplay, let me introduce you to two more protagonists. One of them is Joaquin El Chapo, who is a long-time partner of El Mayo, a convicted criminal serving a life imprisonment in Colorado in United States. The second person is Joaquin Guzman Lopez. He is the son of El Chapo. Well, these three are also his sons, but today we are not going to talk about them. Today our story revolves around this Bermuda Triangle. And well, it's nothing less than a mystery. Now that we know about these two criminals, let's get back to our original question. How did El Mayo end up in US custody? Well, according to reports, he was tricked into flying to US. But how? Let's start from the beginning. Now, El Mayo and Guzman Lopez boarded a flight in Mexico. El Mayo thought that they are going to inspect a property together near the US-Mexico border. But little did he know that his plane has crossed the Mexican territory, further flown towards the north and entered the US territory. This is where the US officials were waiting to arrest them both at a small airport near El Paso in Texas. It turns out apparently that Lopez has conspired with the investigators in US to get El Mayo arrested. But why did he do that, considering his father has been a long-time friend of El Mayo and operates the world's most powerful and deadly drug syndicate? Well, we don't have all the answers yet. Some say that a power struggle is going on between El Chapo's sons and El Mayo, which was exploited by the investigators. Others say that Lopez has struck a deal with the American authorities for himself and his brother, who is also facing federal charges, by the way. But whatever the truth is, it has led to the arrest of one of the world's most notorious and nefarious criminal.